Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Shiraz, and as you can see, I've got the headlight video for you of the QJ Motor SRV 300. And let me just quickly show you how the bike looks. So that's the DRLs, and that's the tail light. Now let's ride. And of course, as you can see, the switches are backlit. Alright, so I'll stop the bike here in pitch black darkness. So this is how the road looks. Now that's the DRL, and that's the low beam, that's the high beam. Again, that's the low beam, that's the high beam. Nice. You may have noticed that in almost more than 80%, 90% of the motorcycles nowadays, you have LED setups. So while the low beams are nice, the high beam does not have much going for it. This is an exception. I absolutely love the high beam of this motorcycle. I mean, just look at that. So I hope you would have gotten a good idea of how the headlight is. Just look at that. And please do subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit that like button, and do leave a comment. Even a one-word comment or a two-word comment would help. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Shall I take it there? I think I should. Whoa. Nice, nice. Look at that. think we can go here.